In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix TikTok error no internet connection. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and fix this. But what you want to go ahead and do is go over to your settings application on TikTok. Once you're here, go ahead and scroll down, and then you're going to see apps as the very last option. Now from here, go ahead and locate TikTok, and you can do this on literally any iPhone or any phone, whether you're on Android or Samsung as well. Just go over to your app section over there as well. Go over and find your TikTok application, and then just go ahead and click on it. And what you want to do is give it access to your mobile data as one of them, and then also give it access to your local network, because that's why it might not be working on your, when it has like no internet connection. What you could also do is, once you're done with that, is swipe out and then just turn on airplane mode. Wait a few seconds, wait about 10-15 seconds, turn it off again, let your internet reset, and then try and open up TikTok again, and then it should be working fine. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.